Good day to you. Today is Tuesday, August 5th, 2025. Fear cripples us. In today's gospel, the disciples are terrified of the storm. Even if they are seasoned fishermen, they are more terrified when they see a ghost. The worst of all, they even consider Jesus a ghost. But when Jesus tells them that it is He, Saint Peter wants to walk on the water with Jesus. He is already taking a few steps when suddenly he notices that he starts to sink. He starts to sink because when instead of focusing himself to Jesus, he focuses on the wind. He starts to sink when his attention is not on Jesus but on the strong wind. He looks down instead of looking up on God. This is also what happens to us when we less focus on Jesus and give focus on our problems and difficulties. Have a good day and God's blessings on you.